Are you greeted by a foul odor every time you enter your home? You're not alone in this. An unpleasant scent can instantly ruin your comfort. It's time to take action against indoor odors. Instead of masking odors with candles and sprays, focus on eliminating the source effectively. Regularly changing your air filters is essential for capturing contaminants that cause unpleasant smells. When your air filter is clean, it does a great job at keeping your home fresh and odor-free. An unexpected tip is to simmer a bowl of vinegar on the stove to neutralize odors naturally. Consider steam cleaning soft surfaces like drapes and sofas, which often trap odors and dirt. In the stinkiest rooms, mix citrus oil, vodka, and water for an effective natural deodorizer. If you're a smoker, make a rule to always smoke outdoors. Your indoor air quality depends on it. Pets often contribute to home odors, so staying on top of their hygiene is crucial for a fresh environment. Avoid putting vegetable scraps down your garbage disposal, as they can lead to odor problems over time. A quick wash with vinegar and water can help eliminate lingering smells from your garbage can. Stinky laundry can fill your home with unpleasant odors. Sprinkle washing soda to neutralize those smells. Ventilation is key for fresh air. A well-ventilated home keeps odors from becoming a problem. To truly understand indoor odors, let's first look at the science behind them and what causes them. Did you know that certain dangerous odors, like a fishy smell, can signal serious electrical issues? If you ever catch a whiff of rotten eggs, it could indicate a gas leak. Act fast and call for help. Musty odors often hint at mold lurking in your home. It's essential to tackle these immediately. Identifying indoor odors means pinpointing their sources. Look at pets, mold, and dirty clothes closely. Instead of just masking odors, aim to tackle the roots with these effective, natural solutions at home. Cleaning your cleaning supplies may seem odd, but it's crucial. Dirty sponges can create more odors. To prolong your cleaning supplies life, run sponges through a dishwasher sanitize cycle regularly. Make sure your towels are dried properly to prevent mildew from developing in your bathroom. Never overlook your vacuum cleaner. It needs a good cleaning too. A clean vacuum can help freshen your home. Every home has natural odor absorbers that can be found in items like coffee grounds and baking soda. Baking soda isn't just a baking ingredient. It's a powerful deodorizer for carpets and mattresses alike. Have pet accidents? Baking soda can neutralize those odors effectively. For persistent pet odors, combine baking soda with vinegar to remove the scent from carpets effortlessly. Keeping up with bath time for your pets will go a long way in ensuring your home smells good. What about your laundry? An overflowing hamper of sweaty clothes can create an odor disaster. Maintaining clean floors and surfaces prevents odors from accumulating. Regular vacuuming and mopping is essential. Remember to keep your kitchen clean to eliminate food odors. This can make a huge difference in your home.